Everyone check out this rust converter, it's absolutely fantastic. It basically turns the rust to black and white. It's absolutely brilliant. So it's all in one video. This is all pre-recorded. So as you can see at the minute, I'm basically washing my boot out. If you've been watching the videos, I had a duck pond in my boot yesterday. So I've basically taken it all out, given it a good wipe down. As you can see now, I'm giving it a good wash out and just preparing it basically. So this rust treatment's absolutely fantastic. It's a rust converter. Like I say, it turns it all black and white and ready for painting. I've also got some anti-rust primer, and I'm also getting some, I believe it's Loctite or Hammerite black paint. So I'm going to basically apply that manually. It doesn't really matter what it looks like because no one's really going to see it, you know what I mean? So it's fantastic. So here you can see me spraying it on. For what it's worth, I think it's about £15 on Amazon, this bottle. It's absolutely brilliant stuff. And it just does the job, you know what I mean? Like I say, I went the extra mile this time and just used a brush and brushed it in all nooks and crevices just to make sure I get it all. I'm also going to give it another spray tomorrow just to make sure it's absolutely bang on, and then get on with the painting. But look at that, guys, just turns it black and white. It's absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching.